We have this Olympiad equation to solve. It says x squared multiplied by root of x all squared is equal to 8. Okay, so how do we solve this? I don't want you guys to be confused when you see this thing. It's just to confuse you guys that they said this and like this in Olympiad. First thing to do is to break out these brackets, okay, from BODMAS. Now we have x squared. Square root squared is going to eliminate the square root, so we're going to have x left is equal to 8. We have x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 is equal to 8. Hence x is equal to 2. Okay, and this is just one of the answers for x. But to recall that this is power of 3, so invariably we are going to have 3 answers for x. Now, bringing this 8 over to this side, we will have that x cubed. Now 8 is the same thing as 2 cubed. Okay, so we have s cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Okay, now from the law of difference of 2 cubes, right, which is on the screen right now, we are going to apply that law here. So what we have from here becomes x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared, okay, is equal to 0. Now from here, you're already seeing our first answer, which is that x minus 2 is equal to 0, hence x is equal to 2, which we already have here. The second answer now will be given by this equation, which is x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Solving this with quadratic equation, we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, which is 4, minus 4ac, which is minus 16, all over 2 times a, which is 2, is equal to 0, is equal to x rather. Now, from here, we can simply rewrite this as minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 12 is the same thing as 2 times root negative 3. Okay, so we have 2 outside here, and then we have root of negative 3 inside here, all over 2 to be equal to x. From here, our x now becomes equal to 2, take 2 and take 2. So our x we are left with is now equal to 1, that's minus 1, plus or minus. Now, root of negative 3 is something as I root 3. Okay, so we'll have I, okay, roots 3. Alright, now these are the second and third answers for our x. So invariably our first answer was 2, second answer is minus 1 plus I root 3, and third answer is minus 1 minus I root 3. Cheers.